So another key skill we're going to cover today is how to pour. I often see, even in my own house, when pouring, there's a lot of spillage. So today, Ishan is going to take over and he's going to show you how to pour.
Pouring water or any liquid into something, you could find it easy or you can find it hard. This is the pitcher. Here is the spout. Some students may tend to pour the water and the whole cup falls like this. We do not want that. Another mistake that is commonly seen is people tend to pour too slowly and then water starts to drip. See, I'm aiming perfectly in the center, but I'm pouring too slow. The solution is high enough, fast enough, and aim for the center. Today we are going to make sugarcane calamansi juice. The first step is to cutting these lime in half and squeezing them into the bowl. After that, you add the sugarcane juice. Remember, up high, aim for the center. Oh! Remember, you just saw what happened, right? Watch it. This is sugarcane calamansi juice.
Let's give it a try.
Good.